Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Dai step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. Dai, band, area, to wear, to look after, for example, 一带 region, district, this area is most suitable for growing wheat. 这一带最适宜种小麦。This area is most suitable for growing wheat. 这一带最适宜种小麦。This area 这一带 most suitable 最适宜种小麦 growing wheat. This area is most suitable for growing wheat. 这一带最适宜种小麦。My daily handwriting on the character Dai. Dai, band, area, to wear, to look after. 一带 region, district. This area is most suitable for growing wheat. 这一带最适宜种小麦。带 Please comment any words or sentence with the Chinese character Dai. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.